Get more food to put in your cart. Can you put an egg in your cart? Where's the eggie?
Oh, cheese.
Oh, put the cheese in your cart.
Cheese. Good job.
Come get the eggie and the yogurt.
Yogurt. Put
Good.
it in your cart. Good job. Now, ma'am, how do you expect to pay for all this food? Where's your mini toy checkbook? Checkbook. Who uses a checkbook anymore? Your mini
The people you
toy
hate in front of you
credit
at the supermarket. Oh, you go took the yogurt out? Here, can you put the milk in your cart? Yeah. Put the milk in the cart. Yeah. Good job.
card. Yay.
Can you get the eggie? Get the eggie. Good. Put the egg in your cart. Good. Oh, and the yogurt, yeah.
Yogurt.
This one will be hard. Here, can you come take this bowl of strawberries and put the bowl of strawberries in the cart? The whole bowl. You gotta hold it careful or they're gonna fall out. Good. Now be very, be very careful.
Strawberries.
Oops.
Oh, we gotta put them back in the bowl. Can you hold the bowl like this? Watch. Ready? Hold the bowl like this.
No, Chloe.
There you go. Good. Good job. Oh, oops. Hold the bowl. Like that.
Okay, go put those in the cart.
Put it in the cart.
Good. Put them in the cart.
You're just really making me hungry, Mom. Oh, there's another one. These are all gonna fall out when we bend down.
Oops. Can you get the pretzels? Where's the pretzels? Good.
Oh. Chloe.
Layla, can you put the pretzel in your cart? Put the pretzel in your cart. Good job. Okay, off.
Gonna go pay for it? Go to the register?
Go to the register. Oh, here, can you put this sausage in the cart?
And or bun.
Yeah, I don't know. Just... Oh, are there two? That's a pancake. Those all breakfast stuff.
Really?
Here's some bread. Put some bread in the cart.
Pancake. Chloe, what did you just eat?
Some carrots?
Oh,
Put the carrots in your cart.
Say, what's up, Doc?
What else are you going to put in? Oh, bread.
Good job.
Good. Pancake.
Ready?
How about some orange juice?
Dada's gonna eat the strawberry. No. No. It's a toy. Put it in your cart. Oh boy. Put it in your cart. Good.